Hey! Reese's Pieces! Yes, thank you.
Heard there was a commotion on the road out to Rachel.
Funny, I didn't hear nothing.
Yeah, it must have been the boys out the base.
Yeah.
That's a bit much, isn't it? Put it all back. Except the donuts and the chocolate milk. And the burritos. Cheetos and Doritos. What about Paul's Reese's Pieces? Just hurry up, please.
No, he doesn't. No, you go right ahead.
Oh, sure. Thank you. Thank you.
That beast outside yours?
What?
What do you mean, beast? We haven't.
Your RV?
Oh, yes. The RV is.
Yes.
Where are you boys from?
England.
I heard about it. No guns.
Not many.
No, not really. Just, farmers.
Well, how are police supposed to shoot anybody?
Well, they
Well,
don't.
they try not to. $15.58.
20. Just keep the change. And give it to charity or something.
You did amazing, Graham! That cop didn't suspect a thing. And Clive, you didn't pee your pants.
I don't mean to be a stick in the mud, but you are asking a lot of us, all right? We've only just met, we don't know where we're going or why. You not think we're due an explanation?
Look, the less you guys know, the better. I want you to have plausible deniability. Let's just say I spent a long time at that base thinking I was a guest. Turns out, I was a prisoner. But don't worry, I got it all under control. Fuck, that made me jump.
Poor little thing.
Yeah, nothing you could have done, mate.
What are you doing?
Just watch.
It's a miracle.
Oh, man, I'm gonna miss these.
Why would you do that?
I'm not gonna eat a dead bird, am I?